Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to prepare rice cream easily at home. So this rice cream helps in skin lightening, whitening, skin brightening as well as in skin tightening because it has all the anti-aging as well as skin whitening properties which really brightens up your skin tone and just enhances your skin complexion, making it more brighter, lighter and whiter. So firstly, let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this highly effective rice cream. So the first ingredient which we need is rice flour. After that we are gonna need raw milk. Then we are gonna need glycerin. After that we are gonna need vitamin E oil. And the last ingredient which we need is aloe vera gel. So now let's see how to prepare this highly effective cream. So to prepare this cream, we firstly have to take approx 2 teaspoons of rice flour in a clean bowl. After that, I'm adding 3 to 4 teaspoons of raw milk into it and just mixing both the ingredients really well so that both the ingredients mix with each other really nicely and makes a smooth paste. And after mixing both these ingredients, the paste should be a little runny because we have to strain this, and for that we need a runny paste. So it should be really runny, smooth and lump free. Now as I told you, we have to strain this paste, and for that I'm just using a strainer to strain this mixture. And after straining this paste, your fine rice flour paste will look like this. And now let's prepare this cream, and for that I'm firstly adding half a teaspoon of glycerin into it. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And if you're using the vitamin E capsules, then you can add 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules into it. And after that, I'm just going to mix all these 3 ingredients really nicely so that they all combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth paste. And now lastly, I'm adding the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And now just mixing all the ingredients really nicely to make a smooth, lump-free and a creamy, fluffy paste. And after mixing all these ingredients really nicely, your homemade rice cream is ready and it will look something like this. This cream should be really creamy, fluffy, smooth and lump-free as I'm showing you in the video. So this rice cream has a lot of skin benefits, like it helps in skin lightening, whitening and tightening. It has anti-aging properties as well, which reduces your wrinkles and fine lines and helps to prevent all those aging signs and makes your skin really bright, glowing, spotless, clear and much smoother and younger than before. And now I'm just going to transfer this cream into this small airtight container, and you can store this cream in any airtight container in refrigerator for up to 15 days. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream onto your fingertips and then just apply it and gently massage it onto your skin using gentle and circular strokes. Now after massaging it thoroughly into your skin, just leave it so that it completely absorbs into your skin. And for the best results, you should use this cream once in the morning and the other before going to bed. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.